1966, there was a what riot? Remember that here. Okay. LA Times, biggest newspaper, had no black reporter. You understand? 1966, this greatest newspaper in LA had no black reporter. So you know what they did? Because they are afraid to go to black ghetto. They're scared of black shadow. Where I lived most of my early life. You see? Then they appoint black advertisement as a reporter. Now, back to 1992, LA riot. LA riot, okay? And the focus is black and Korean conflict. You know why they did? You know what is the best rating for television station? Tell me, what is the best rating? How to get the best rating? In the radio and the TV stations. You see, most of the poor people of all colors, they don't buy newspaper. They listen. They watch TV. Television is the most powerful instrument